Hello everyone and welcome back to Sonic Adventure DX. Now this time around, we are going to be playing Rosie the Rascal, also known as Amy Rose. So, just to recap, we've done Sonic the Hedgehog, we've done Miles Tails per hour, we've done Knuckles the Enchilada. I'm not letting that die, I'm not letting that joke die. And now we're doing Amy Rose.
It's my turn now!
Now, I think Amy has an invisible power in this, and I know I believe she's got the Pico Pico hammer, but I don't think she can homing attack, so they gave her the hammer. Alright. I gotta wait for intros.
Gee, I'm bored. Every day
I might as well just put down the controller.
Same place, different day. I miss the good old days. Hanging out with my hero, Sonic. Chasing bad guys. And blowing them away.
It looks like you're getting dragged. It doesn't look like you're doing anything.
Now he's gone. And there's nothing left to do. But shop till I drop. There was always something fun to do with Sonic around. I really miss him. Hey, what's going on here? Is there an eclipse today or what? Nobody forecast a storm or anything.
the mouth. That's too funny. I don't know why. It just reminded me of like a Crash Bandicoot or something, like the old one. Like the wow, 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 wow. I don't know why, it's just the facial expression just reminds me of that.
Eggman, can it be?
It can be. The egg carrier. Oh, that.
Ah! Watch it! Watch it! Ow! You should watch where you're going, buddy! Hey, are you alright?
It's
You
a
look kinda
birdie.
hurt.
That was my controller. I didn't realize I had Rumble on, because there hasn't been Rumble at all.
Ah! Uh-oh!
He's going for round 2.
Yikes!
Fight or flee.
You
Fight or
ran
flee.
me over,
It's
creep.
flee.
Oh no! Let's get out of here!
Where are you gonna hide? Are you under the table? God, that robot's dumb as shit.
That was one of Eggman's robots, huh? He must have captured you, and somehow you got away, right? Don't worry, I'll protect
The
you.
bird doesn't even look alive. It looks like a doll.
I'll do my best to keep us both from harm. I'll stand by you all the way.
Also, okay, yeah, now I can move. So I've got my jump. I don't have a homing attack because I'm mashing B. I'm mashing A and I don't get it. But with B, I have. It's got such an adorable sound though. Just a little. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, when I run, I have the hammer out. Amy. Oh! I think I remember people talking about that. If you run real fast... Wait, let me get a good amount of momentum. When you pull out the hammer and you hit it, if I can get momentum... Oh, that's cool. My mode of transportation. Hammer. It's hammer time. That's actually really fast. Damn it. Wouldn't let me move there for some reason. That was Tails. Am I supposed to go miss screens or something?
Something good may happen at the casino area.
Damn it, I thought I was full speed. I always like predict. I'm like, it's gonna be full speed now, and then I'm like, oh wait, no, it's not. That's the pool. That's the wrong area. Back. Alright. Is he back? Nope, it's Sonic.
Oh, Sonic! My hero, Sonic!
It's an illusion.
Long time no see!
I'm gonna
Amy!
just relax while this
What's your problem? See, this little birdie's got in trouble. I think you should be his bodyguard a little while.
What?
Doesn't matter. We'll just tag along.
No way!
Come on, don't run away! Oh!
Sorry. Had to drink some of my tea and was just like, okay, I'm gonna revive. Wait, how do I... Wait, Casinopolis is closed for repairs. Are we sure? 'Cause last time there was usually a switch up there, yeah.
No trains are currently in service.
I wonder. Nope. Fuck. You sure we can't just... Fuck. Fuck. Can't get enough height. I'm sure there's nothing I can just clip onto and then make your way over. Let Amy in. Let Amy in. One second, let me try this. Fuck. Nope. Invisible walls. It did say the train was leaving. I don't think I'll have anything over here. Yeah, because I don't go to those levels. It's only Sonic and Tails. Does he say something? Just assaulting a man with a hammer. Oh, yeah. You're the guy who's like, oh, you're one of the guys who are like... Okay, alright. See, I think I have to go to... Well, I mean, it did say go to the casino, but, like, I think it maybe it was only to, you know... Fact, whatever. Actually, wait, I'll see if I can go to Emerald Coast. Because I don't know if I can, but I'll try. Because it seems like if you could go through with Sonic, then you could probably go through with, like, Tails or Amy. Nope, it's boarded off. I don't know why I just keep hitting the hammer. I think I just like hammers. So time for hammer time, you might as well take it.
Wasn't there a place where you couldn't get in alone?
Oh. Whee!
Wait up, Sonic! Not fair!
I thought it had to be
can't
dark
run
to
as
go
fast
to,
as
you know, the Twilight Park.
Ah, look! Eggman's robot's on the loose!
Don't panic!
Oh, I feel like this is gonna be a real short section with Amy.
Ah!
Cause think about it, this is stage
Now
4
what's
for
wrong?
Sonic, and this is only stage 1 for Amy.
Huh?
I do think Amy's only gonna get 4 stages. And I'll just have points where I'm just wandering around like an idiot.
Free. What are we waiting for?
Amy! Wait! I give up. She's so weird.
Sonic, you still could have, like, spin dashed him. Sorry, I hit the mic. Twilight Park. Wait, what was that?
The robot that was following you is closing in on you. It'll be over if that robot touches you. You must get away from it no matter what.
Can I kill him? Oh yeah, I can stun him. Fuck off. Get away. Go in the water. Go in the water. Let's call some.
Press all 3 buttons and the door should open.
Ow, shit. Shit. No. Ow. You dick. Oh, so he's just gonna keep attacking me until I die. Oh, fuck. This is actually gonna be annoying because Amy's very fucking slow. Unless I can get in a straight line. No. I need a ring. I need an onion ring. I'm going. Fuck. Bitch. Fuck you. Me out of this section. He's hobbling after me. Fuck off. You got hit by a spike ball, that's funny. Bye. Bye. Okay, this is just fucked. I didn't know there was a hole there. Need 1 ring, 1 onion ring. 1 onion ring. Shit. Leave me alone. Last time that floor fell, so I'm not gonna miss. Shit. No. Fuck you. He locked onto me. He was like, I got you. Oh, shit.
Whoa!
It's gotta be embarrassing that he's trying to kill me, yet I'm dying to every other obstacle but him. He's coming. But he got hit by his thing, so he sparked out. What? I should throw some jumps in there. I go faster with that. Okay. He tried to camp. I shut him down real quick. I would like to get that one up, but I don't think I'm gonna get a chance. Fuck! Get off me! I'm gonna have to get a good... First off, fuck off. I need a good run up. to get to this thing. Oh no, it's not that. Bye, boy. Oh, I just have to get to the balloon. I thought I had to get to multiple of them. He's so angry. Look at him. He's like a little kid. He's like, come on, give it to me. Give it to me.
Welcome to Twinkle Park.
I'm going through. I don't know why she didn't just stay with the fastest hedgehog in the world who can destroy literally anything.
That robot. Sonic must have gotten lost too.
Uh-oh. Dark shadow usually don't mean good things. Oh.
Ah!
And she's being kidnapped. The princess is in another castle.
Watch it, bolt brain! Let us down! Let us go!
What happened to your hammer?
Help! Sonic!
Oh, that's when this happens. Ah. Because I believe when that happens, it's like stage 6 or something, or like... Because I don't think it's after Twinkle Park that... It's more like Sonic's like, oh, I lost her, and then
calm down.
something else happens, and then I think he comes back into Station Square, and then he sees Amy getting taken away. Ooh, it's Gamma! 102 Gamma. Again, I would have preferred if it was Omega, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. It's a red robot with white and black.
What do you want?
Hand me the bird.
that voice, though.
Quietly hand over the bird.
No, never!
Why not?
I don't need to tell you anything. You tell me why you want it now!
Does not compute.
Oh my god.
You don't even know? I know you might hurt us both. Please, Mr. Robot.
I'm just gonna drink tea. I got time.
Won't you help us, please?
Insufficient data. You have feelings for something you know nothing about. Illogical.
I pity you. Love is not part of your programming. You are missing something good. Hey, Birdie, come back here!
Go. Escape.
Well, what?
Oh, well, I guess we're free.
You sure?
I swear if this is all Amy's story is, and like maybe one little battle, I swear.
Danger is here.
Because think about it, we're on the egg carrier
We'll be
now.
at the Mystic Ruins base soon.
You're really nice. You're different from the other robots.
Uh-oh. Amy's story may just be over in this one
You've
part.
got a soft spot inside your metal frame. If you want, we can be friends, okay?
Guys, is Amy's story really gonna be over? Because think about it. When Amy's on the egg fleet, she is, you know, there when Sixth Form Chaos is out. I mean, Chaos 6. Can I don't know what... Oh, it's auto camera. I don't know what's better, auto or free, because, like, auto does this, but free isn't much better. I'll just open up all the hatches. I'll still talk to him. I want to talk to him one last time.
It is dangerous here.
Nothing else to say? Okay. Ooh. What's that? Is that Shelly? What is this? It's supposed to be Chowie or something? I don't know. Alright, let's go.
You're not going to escape from here. this awesome game.
Alright.
Keep trying until you get the high score. Good luck.
What type of game is this? Oh, is this Whack-A-Mole? Hedgehog Hammer. Blue's on Sonic, yellow, and... Alright, how do we start? How do we start the game? Oh, I have to configure it. Shit! Shit. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, wait. Fuck. This one's gonna be a robotic... Come on. Actually, I could just stay put. I'm just gonna stay put, actually. That's cool.
What? I can't believe this is happening!
I could have gone higher, but the thing is, like, if I fucked up, I was gonna have to redo it, and I wanted a one and done. Listen, all I have to do is beat you. I don't have to embarrass you, my friend.
Behold the warrior feather. Now you can do the spin hammer attack.
Oh,
Press
I'm gonna have
and
fun
hold
with
the
this.
action button and move the directional pad in a circle.
Oh wait, so is it... No, it's... Oh! This is my defensive state. Oh, but it makes me dizzy, oh. Actually, no. Let's see if I could. Shit! I got just about the same, so I think I could destroy it before.
And find the way out. Good luck.
It just means if I second attempt, I would have probably got the same score. Okay. Good night. Alright, go. Wait. That doesn't have the table, so how do I get out? And that's a Chow Garden. I could just Chow Garden and out. This is still restricted access. Alright, then what about this door over here? Wow. Fuck it, you get what I mean. Restricted, fuck. I can't speak, fuck it. Restricted access. Oh, hammer switch. Oh, baby hammer. Hammer. Did I just come out of there? Oh. Alright, well, actually, wait, can I go back? Can I... I don't want to leave level, but I want to see what was in the other door. Try this one. Oh wait, this is the one I came out of, so I need to go do the other one. Alright. Hammer. Alright, hot shelter.
Hold on to the handle and turn the key to the left to open the door.
Where is it? First off. Oh, where's the handle? Where's the handle?
Hold on to the handle and
this
turn
handle.
the key to the left to open the door.
Wow. Going crazy. Going crazy. thought that was continuing. Ow! Fuck.
Hey, let's go!
Oh, wait. Go again! Oh, bitch. Oh, the robot got bombed. I swear, I was about to say, I swear if he's edge guarding. No. Stay away, bitch. Spinny. Oh wait, I spin the wrong way. Going. It's on there. It's on there. Oh, that's why I sound like an old man there. I just thought I was gonna die or something. I didn't understand that for the life of
It
me.
says left 1, right 3.
Oh, I just fucking guessed that. They were like, oh, there's a specific code. No, I was just randomly spinning and it just worked. Alright, you know, that's the epitome of being a lucky son bitch. No. Fuck off. Fuck you. Ladder moving. Fuck you, bitch. No. Stay off. How do I... Where'd he go? Did I kill him? That's right, you don't step to Amy Rose. I could have just glitched him out, honestly. You can hop out of the bathroom. Alright. No, fuck. So, it's on the eye. What? No. Step off. I don't know if this was the right way. I don't know if there was ultimates. Fuck. Oh no. Wait. Salvageable. And again, I have the high ground. Please. I don't like it. No. I thought that was a 1-up, and I was like, yes! I risked it all for one 1-up. Wait. What? I really want to do this once. Oh, I was gonna swing and hit it.
The switch for the gear controls is around here somewhere.
Were you telling me I gotta look? Oh, no. I'm not gonna complain that I clicked onto the edge now. Oh shit, okay. I don't like it.
The switch for the gear controls is around here somewhere.
I just... Wait a minute. Oh, this is how you're supposed to do it. Anyways. See, I thought they were supposed to be in the spinny lever. I thought I was supposed to unlock the center bit, in other words. And I thought they were going to say backtrack, in other words. I'm just going to move forward, and I'm going to hope. Pop. I'm free, baby, free!
Be careful not to fall off.
Oh shit, I was not careful. now I'm going to be careful. Swinging offensive. Wait a minute. Bitch. I had to do it. I had to do it. Nope. This is definitely a rolling platform, but... Yeah. Who needs rolling platforms? Oh no.
Move the handle and the lift should move.
It looks like I'm just going left and right, but I actually am spinning. At least that's not a bottomless pit, but... Whoop-a-da! Oh. Convenient. Uh-oh. I still have my shield. I thought I lost it when I got hit by that bomb. Monitor room. Ah, you jerk. On the side. Purple to purple. Get closer. Okay. Well, something that just doesn't pick up. Yellow to yellow. I'm at it, clearly. It's not at the right angle. Blue to blue. Blue to blue. And... Damn it. Damn it. Give it to me. Did London? Where'd it go? At least I got it perfectly that time. And red to red. Oh. Take that, bitch. No. I'm going. Running. Should probably grab that last. Of all of them. Wait a minute. Gotcha. I think I just knocked him off the edge. My controller is consistently rumbling, so I don't know what that means, but... My assumption is either that he's coming or he's far. Oh, I actually didn't see him. That actually kind of gave me a bit of a fright. Get the fuck out of here. No! Nope. Why did I toss it? Nope. Fuck you! Fuck yous! Nope. Fuck you. Fuck yous! This is bullshit! Fuck you. Game, it's right there. No. Just take it in. No. Is this in an effort to lose it? Or is this to get odds with ruin? I think that confused him. That gives me maybe enough time to finish this. Game, what the hell? It's right there. I want it. Ba-bam.
All right!
Yes, I won.
I'm free!
Oh wait, the robot's called Zero, because it says evade Zero and get to the balloon. It's so elegant that we're just floating out. The call? My one thing is, why bring Amy into this?
Huh?
I can understand, like, you know, because, you know, she's around, but, like, that doesn't really need to impact too much. Like, I know she helps with the Chaos Emeralds, but other than that, doesn't get a Chaos Emerald herself. Hey! Wee! What do you guys have to say? Oh wait, I've seen this before. Never go in victory. Here we go. Here we go. Can I get in here? Or is it a case of where I've got to go all the way around the thing and go to where the shrine is? What do you have to say? 7 dreams will come true. So it calls out the 7 Chaos Emeralds, that's what that means. But I don't know where that is. Where are they? Where are they? 7 Chaos Emeralds. Where's the call? Call. Not that. So I think I have to go for the further away guys. Not these ones that are just looping. Is there a guy up here? No, but is there someone around the corner or something? Oh wait, this is outside the map. That's not where I want to go. I would not like to break it. I would not like to break the already broken game. Gotta be a guy standing in a different location where I can ask him and he'll say something different. What do you guys say? Let me... Chaos, Sacred Power. No, no way. I don't buy it. We're going into get the special stones. Wait, I'm confused. Where do I have to go? Because it says into somewhere, so it seems like... Wait, is it that big temple? This seems like a place you would go into. Oh, fuck. Wait a minute. Is it... Oh, it's right here and I'm a fucking dumbass. Alright. I'm just gonna use this for momentum. 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 Going. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. Not as good as Adventure 2, but cute.
You're the... Chow. Don't be afraid. You're safe with me.
I'll just drink some tea while we wait. Uh-oh. water demon's back.
Gee, what was that?
See, I think I'll do all of Amy's thing
wonder
in
if
one
I'm
run. Even if it takes an
dreaming.
hour, I think I'll do it all in one run because her thing doesn't seem to be that long.
I need to get out of this place.
Yeah, see, we're gonna hit the point where it's Sonic fighting Chaos, and then Amy will do probably the fight against the robot and against Zero.
Where do you think you're going, Amy?
I love how, like, just looking at the Chow, when it was muted, I looked back at my cat, and my cat is just adorable. She's just laying
You can't
down
get
on
away
her
this
side,
easily.
fully laying down, fully like spread eagle. It's adorable.
Sonic, help!
I love how she puts her arm over her face and she's like, "Don't look at me, I'm just sleeping."
Too late, buddy.
I woke the baby.
Birdie!
So chill. I'm
It's
just
a
messing with the
Chaos
paws, and
Emerald.
she's like, I don't care.
What?
I don't need you when I've got this. Gamma!
At your service, sir.
Dispose of these annoying pests.
Ooh,
Give
do I
them
get to
all
play
you
Gamma
got.
with Amy? Sorry, I
Aye,
haven't
aye,
paid
sir.
much
Will
attention
comply.
to playing with the cat.
I've got better things to do.
Am I choosing Eggman or am I stopping Gamma with Amy?
Stop, Mr. Robot!
Or is all this just... Okay, it's just gonna be one cutscene kind of thing. Oh, the sad music.
Please stop!
Amy? That's one of Eggman's clunkers! Out of my way!
No!
Like, you don't hear the
He
word
helped me
clunkers
before
being
by
used
letting me
anymore.
escape.
I love the, like,
This robot
rustic
is
kind of
different.
dialogue they use sometimes.
You don't need to hurt him, okay?
Amy!
Also,
Okay,
even though
I guess
this
I'll
will
let
have
him go
been
then.
way done, but I hope you like the new intro, because I recently did the night, like, this night.
The A carrier's losing altitude.
Oh, and this
We're
way it
fresh out
says,
of
get
time.
Amy out of here.
Take Amy and clear out, fast!
See, that's why I think I
What
won't have any
about
more
you?
to do with
I'll nail that
Amy, because I think
Eggman!
this
Can't
would
let
be
him
the end
escape!
for her. Maybe one extra level or something?
I
Maybe a
knew
boss
you would
with Zero?
save me, Sonic! You're my hero! You okay? It's dangerous here! Don't pay attention to Eggman anymore! Free yourself, come on!
Why are you helping me?
I said we'd be friends, and I'm returning your favor! Even this birdie wants you to be free! Eggman's not
Listen,
the kind
Birdie
of
does
man
not
you
look
should
alive.
work for.
If it wasn't that it was moving, I'd say it's blush.
Until we meet again, Mr. Robot, take care of yourself!
There you go. Oh wait, the cat's gone to the hall to play with some toys. This is where the ship blows up again. For the 4th time, it's blown up. Here we come. His tails aren't even moving. How are we flying? His tails aren't even moving. He's just gliding. Wait, one of them looks like it's flat as paper. Jesus. That's a nice car in the background.
I wonder what Sonic is doing. He's always rescuing me, it seems. I should be more independent.
Alright, so what does that mean?
You know you sure surprised me by having a Chaos Emerald with you. No wonder they were after you, my feathered friend.
Okay, so wait, yeah, but like,
Hey, a pendant! Wow!
oh, that's adorable.
So I'll help you find your family. Does
Oh wait, is
Eggman
that
have
what the rest of this is gonna
captive
be?
now? I bet he does. So I'll help you find your family. I've come this far. I may as well go all the way.
Oh, I don't want to have to end episode. I don't want to have to do it.
Dr. Eggman's base is in the Mystic Ruins. So what do you say we check it out?
Ah, you know what? Fuck it. I'll end episode and do another episode of Amy. I thought I'd be able to knock it all out, but I forgot about that because I saw clips of that in Sonic X. But anyways, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell notification to get notified on anything else I do, Sonic Adventure or other games. Thank y'all so much for watching, and check out everyone in the description and do all the like and bell notification stuff. Anyways, I'll see you later. And honestly, I'm actually enjoying this section, but like it's not bad. I like the idea of actually having a hammer now. I have weapons. I can spin as well. Whee!